How's it going, guys? This is Tyler Hargrave here from Jay's Alarms Car Audio here in Fresno, California. You see us all over eBay selling remote starts for Dodge, Jeep, Rams, Chrysler, all different vehicles that we have. We're going to show you today exactly working on 2018 Ram 3500. Very beautiful truck here. This is diesel, so it does work on diesel trucks. No issues at all on diesel trucks. Using the standard tip start key. This is your regular key. We're going to be starting this vehicle up by pushing the lock button 3 times. Real simple with the lock button, okay? That's 1, 2, 3. Of course, it's not going to start now because it doesn't have remote start. But we're going to change that right now by installing our kit that we provide to you on eBay. Really good price. No one can beat it. You call us, text, support, all the good stuff. We can get right back inside the kit and see what's going on and show you how it works, okay? So, right inside the vehicle, we're going to have the keys to the chair there. We have 2 components to the kit, which is your T-harness, which is this here, and your module. It's gonna be this here. That's actually what's starting the vehicle up, okay? And of course you do get printed directions inside the kit, makes it real easy for you to go through. I'm gonna go ahead and set this over here. There's a couple things you gotta do to get started. One, you're gonna be popping out the side panel here. We already took the side panel off for you, which is this here. It is just held on by clips, guys, that pop right off, so pull it, pop it off, okay? From there, you'll be popping off your knee panel. There's 2 bolts that bolt underneath. After you get those bolts off, this simply pulls out, okay? You gotta give it a little pull. It is held on by clips also. Don't be afraid to pull it. What we got here, guys, is your OBD2 plug. This pops off of this other panel. There's 2 little clips that you're gonna push on, pops right out. On this video, we went ahead and already soldered the 2 connections up here. This is only required on a 2018. If you have a 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, it is not required. But on an 18, it is required. So we're gonna go ahead and unplug that. You're hooking up to 2 wires. But your brown red is going to your orange wire, and your brown yellow is going to a yellow wire. This is hooking up what's called a trailer gateway module, which plugs right in over here, guys. So let me go ahead and get that plugged back in. Make sure it snaps in. Let's see here. And how you're doing that, guys, you're just gonna go ahead and peel the wire back, wrap our wire around. It will go right inside there. Next thing you're doing, you are plugging in our T-harness, which we already did earlier, but I'm going to go ahead and unplug it and show you how to disconnect that. This goes to your ignition cylinder. You can see here. Alright, so this is your ignition cylinder plug here. It plugs in right here, guys. The clip is going to be on the back side. So when that's plugged in there, just like that, you are going to squeeze the back clip and pull it out. It will then plug into our T-harness. So you're plugging that into the VS1 connector. Plugs right in, and then you're getting our VS2 and plugging it back in here. Make sure you hear the snap, okay? After that, what you're going to go ahead and do, you're going to plug in the OBD2 plug. OBD2 plug goes in here. Let me see here. Plugs right in, and this will go back into your panel when you put your plastic panel on. You also got your headlight switch. Headlight switch is right here, guys. To get to that, you're going to be unplugging from behind, so you're going to push it out. Comes right out. There's 1 clip here. Unplug that. You're then going to route this right up here. You see here, I got some large hands. And you're gonna plug that in. Plugs in. Get your headlight switch. Plug it right back into your headlight switch. Just make sure that's facing the right way. Stamp it back in. At that point, you're gonna grab our module that we sent you. Then you're gonna grab your directions. They're gonna tell you exactly how to do it. You can see here. We'll set those there. And we're gonna go ahead and show you how to do the connections here. Real simple. You got your blue plug, plugs right in here. You got your black plug, plugs right in here. At that point, you're gonna read the directions. The directions will tell you. Close driver door, reopen driver door, so let's go ahead and do that. Close, reopen, that wakes up your canvas system in there, your data system. It's going to tell you to press the unlock button on the original remote control and it will flash green once. Unlock flashes green. It will then, until you turn the key to the on position, and the LED will turn red. Okay, the on position, turn solid red. Turn the key back off, remove the key. Reinsert the key and turn to the on position. It will turn green. Turn it back off. It is now ready for you guys to unplug. First, of course, unplug data, then unplug power. Now, at this point, what you need to decide to do, are you going to send it back to us for us to do the second flashing, or are you going to take it to a local shop and have them actually do it? Any local shop that deals with ADS could do it. Flash Logic could do it for you, or you can send it back to us. Once you get it in, it takes about 1 day for us to do the second programming to it. We'll program it, we'll ship it back to you, and we'll show you the next step after that, okay? All right, guys, once you get your module back from us, or you take it to a local shop and get a flash for the second time, this is how you're gonna finalize the programming on there, okay? We're gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly how to do it. Remember, plug in that blue plug first. It's gonna plug right in here. Plug in the black plug. And let's hold that module. Make sure you can actually see the LED light here, okay, guys? And what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn the key to the on position. Let's go ahead and do that. Key to on. Turn key back off. It didn't do anything. Turn key on again. Let's see here. If it doesn't do it, sometimes you gotta turn it on twice. There it goes. Turns green. Turns off. Turn the key off. And all right, you're gonna go ahead and start the vehicle. Make sure it's running right. Turn your key back off. And now you're gonna go through the remote start sequence. And that's gonna be by press the lock button 3 times. Gotta have your door closed on this model. So I'm gonna do it. We got lock, lock, lock. It's gonna start your car. You'll see the dash lights wake up and it will start right up. After that time, it's gonna run for 15 minutes, guys. So 15 minutes is gonna either cool your vehicle down or heat it up depending on your last setting that you had on your air conditioning setting. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off so you hear me a little bit better. So that's simple, guys, to make your remote start work. Let me go ahead and unlock it. That's simple to make your remote start work. Like I said, if you have any questions, you give us a call. Let me show you one more time, guys, exactly how to do it, okay? We're gonna do 1, 2, 3. It's gonna start up. Some vehicles, when the door's open, it won't. Some vehicles will. But this one, see how it's doing that? It's not wanting to start. So you gotta make sure that door is closed. So let me go ahead, unlock the vehicle, close that door. It's gonna try to attempt the remote start 3 times. Once that door is closed, it does remote start. Remember, guys, if it's not working, close that door, okay? Go ahead and turn it back on. And again, guys, check us out on eBay. This is Tyler Hargrave from Jay's Alarms Car Audio. You'll find us all over eBay. We got a Ford, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Chrysler, you name it, we got it, okay, guys? Again, thank you for checking our video of the 2018 Ram 2500. You guys have a great day.